Hi, my name is Ayush, and this is my demonstration of CS50 AI traffic project. In this project, I have to make a model which can correctly classify the traffic sign from the GTSRB dataset. This dataset contains thousands of images and it has 43 types of road signs. I have used TensorFlow library for making this model, and I have used convolutional neural network. In this network, there are convolutional and pooling layers, and with the feed forward neural network. So in this network, the convolutional layers apply different filters to the input image, which then extracts the important parts like features of the image. Then we apply pooling, which reduces the size of input while also preserving the image. I have used multiple convolution and pooling layers, and after that I pass this data into a feed forward neural network. This feed forward neural network also has multiple layers, and it has 43 neurons as the output. So let us understand what a filter is. So let us take this image, and if I want to extract some features, the features might be like what are the boundaries and what I have to like see. So after applying a filter, as you can see, these are the boundaries. So it may be helpful in classification problems. This is the final output, like final layer of the convolutional neural network. There are convolution and pooling layers which extract the different features from an image. Then these things are fed into a feed forward neural network, which then classifies the thing. So let us now move to the demonstration of my model. As you can see, after 10 epochs, it has achieved an accuracy of 97.27%, which is pretty good. So yeah, this was it. See you around.